Are you ready to witness BMW unleash a new era of racing thrill? Welcome back to 20 Car. BMW M Motorsport has unveiled the M2 Racing, a track-ready machine tailored for privateer racers and based on the latest generation M2. Slated to hit the tracks in 2026, this beast follows in the footsteps of the motorsport versions of the M235i, M240i, and M2CS. Rather than the standard 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, the M2 Racing roars with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder, built for durability and speed. Producing 308 horsepower and 420 Nm of torque, it stands far apart from the 473 horsepower and 600 Nm of the regular road-going M2. This setup recalls the spirit of the legendary four-cylinder E30 M3 that conquered DTM and the European Touring Car Championship in the late 80s and early 90s. Power is funneled to the rear wheels through a 7-speed ZF transmission paired with a mechanical differential featuring dedicated cooling. Enhancements include KW suspension, adjustable racing anti-roll bars, and BMW M compound brakes. Aesthetically, it mirrors the aggressive design of the road model but adds a race-specific front splitter, optional rear wing, quick-release panels, Macrolon rear windows, and tow hooks. Matte black 18-inch forged wheels wrapped in slick Goodyear tires complete the look. Inside, drivers are secured with a Slated GTAM racing seat, FIA-certified roll cage, and an integrated fire suppression system, while air conditioning remains standard. A passenger seat is optional. BMW's Jens Klingmann describes the M2 Racing as a full-fledged race car that maintains accessibility and affordability, costing €98,000 compared to the M4 GT3's hefty €415,000. With development ongoing, BMW promises a strong support system for private teams ahead of the 2026 debut.